day. How are you today? I hope you're good. You're good, right? Okay. Today we're going to be learning how to spell from 61 to 80. We're going to be learning how to spell from 61 to 80. So are we ready? Yes, we are. Okay. We're going to start with 61 to 71st. And how did we spell 60? We spell 60 as S-I-X-T-Y, right? That is how we spell 60. X-I-X-T-Y. So today we are going to be starting with 61 to 71st. So how do we spell 61? We spell 60 and 1 together. We spell what? 60 and 1 together. And how do we spell 61 together? Good. Okay, let's spell. We spell S-I-X-T-Y-O-N-E. 61. We spelled 60 and 1 together. So now, how do we spell the next number? The next number is what? 62. And how do we spell 62? We spell 60 and 2 together. And how do we spell 60? We spell 60 as S-I-X-T-Y and we spell 2 as T-W-O. Okay, so now we are going to spell them together to spell 62. Okay, let's spell S-I-X-T-Y-T-W-O, 62. And how do we spell the next number? The next number is 63. And how do we spell 63? We spell 60 and 3 together. Good. And how do we spell 63? 60 and 3 together. Are you ready to spell with me? Okay, let's spell together. S-I-X-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. 63. 63. So 63 is spelled 60 and 3 together. Okay? The next number we have is 64. We have 64. And how do we spell 64? Good! 60 and 4 together. We spell 60 and 4 together. So let's spell 60 and 4 together. Let's go. S-I-X-T-Y-F-O-U-R, 64. We spell 60 and 4 together. S-I-X-T-Y-F-O-U-R, 64. Okay? Good. And the next number we have here is what? 65. And how do we spell 65? We spell 60 and 5 together. Good. Are you ready to spell? Okay, let's spell together and we spell them together. X-I-X-T-Y-F-I-V-E, 65. We spelled 60 and 5 together and it gave us 65. Okay? We got that right? Good. And the next number we have there is what? 66. And how do we spell 60 and 6? We have 66. How do we spell 66? We spell 60 and 6 together. Okay? And how do we spell 60? X-I-X-T-Y. And how do we spell 6? X-I-X. Okay? So we spell 60 and 6 together. Are we ready? Okay, let's spell 60 and 6 together, which is 66. S-I-X-T-Y-X-I-X. 66. We have S-I-X-T-Y-X-I-X. Okay, that is what? 66. And the next number we have here is 67. And how do we spell 67? Correct. 60 and 7 together. We spell 60 and 7 together. Okay, so let's spell SIXTYSEVEN 67. That is how we spell 67. The number 67 is spelled SIXTYSEVEN 67. Okay? Good. The next number we have is what? 68. And how do we spell 68? 60 and 8 together. Correct. Okay, let's spell together. Are we ready? Yes. SIXTYEIGHT 68. SIXTYEIGHT 68. So we spell 68, 60 and 8 together. SIXTYEIGHT 68. Okay? And our next number we have is what? 69. And we know how we can spell 69, right? We spell 6 and 9 together. We spell 6 and 9 together. Okay? Are you ready to spell with me? Okay, let's spell SIXTYNINE 69. 69 is spelled XIXTYNINE 69. Did we get that? We spelled 60 and 9 together. Should we spell it again? Okay. SIXTYNINE 69. Okay? And how do we spell 70? We have our next number here, which is 70. And how do we spell 70? SEVENTY. 70. Okay? 70 is spelled SEVENTY. 70. Did we get that? Good. So now we are going to be moving over to learning from 71 to 80. We just learned from 61 to 70, right? Yes. So we are going to be learning from 71 to 80. Remember, 70 is spelled SEVENTY. So we are going to move over to the next one from 71 to 80. Okay? From 71 to 80, we're going to spell. 71 is spelled 70. 1 is spelled 70 and 1 together. You remember, right? 70 and 1 together. So we're going to spell. Let's go. We have SEVENTYONE 71. Okay? The next number we have is 72. And 72 is spelled out 70 and 2 together. How do we spell 70? SEVENTY, right? And 2 is spelled TWO. So we spell them together, okay? Are we ready to spell together? Let's go. SEVENTY we have 72. This is how to spell 72. The next number we have is 73. And how do we spell 73? We spell 70 and 3 together. Okay? How do we spell 73? We spell 70 and 3 together. Are you ready to spell with me? Let's spell together. SEVENTYTHREE 73. Correct. Okay? And our next number here is what? 74, right? We have 74. And how do we spell 74? 70 and 4 together. Correct. So are we ready to spell? Let's spell 70 and 4 together. SEVENTYFOUR. We have 74. Okay, good. So our next number we have here is 75. And how do we spell 75? Seventy and 5 together. Correct. So we're going to spell 70 first and 5, and we'll spell them what? Together. Okay, are we ready? Let's spell together. 75. Let's go. SEVENTYFIVE. 75. Okay? 75 is spelled SEVENTYFIVE. 75. Okay? The next number we have is what? 76. We have 76. And how do we spell 76? We spell 70 and 6 together. We spell 70 and 6 together. Are we ready to spell? Okay, let's go. We have SEVENTYSIX. We have SEVENTYSIX. We have 76. 76 is spelled 70 and 6 together. Did we get that? 76 is spelled 70 and 6 together. And we spelled SEVENTYSIX. 76. Our next number we have here is 77. And how do we spell 77? We spell 70 and 7 together. We spell what? 70 and 7 together. Are we ready to spell? Good. SEVENTYSEVEN. We have 77. 77 is spelled SEVENTYSEVEN. 77. Okay? Did we get that? Good. Our next number there is what? 78. Okay. And how do we spell 78? 70 and 8 together. Correct. Are we ready to spell 70 and 8 together? Okay. SEVENTYEIGHT. We have 78. Okay. Good. We spelled 70 and 8 together. Okay. Our next number here is what? 79. We have here 79. And how do we spell 79? SEVENTYNINE. 79. 79 is spelled SEVENTYNINE. 79. Okay, did we get that? And our next number is what? 80. It's what? 80. And how are we going to spell 80? We spell 80 as EIGHTY. 80. We spell 80 as EIGHTY. Okay, did we get that? 80 is spelled EIGHTY. I hope we'll be able to spell our numbers right from 61 to 80. Okay,